So even though my research and discussions here are simple in concept, in my opinion, because I'm not a big genius, and yet I can understand them, so they should be easy for other people to understand. But there's a challenge in talking about it because most discussions are linear, but this branches off into the philosophical aspects, spiritual aspects, the health and fitness aspect, and the scientific aspect, and the esoteric aspect. And all of the concepts have a parallel conversation along each one of these axes. I primarily want to talk about the scientific impact and how this is a proposed unification theory. And I'm not claiming that it's mine, because the truth is accessible to all humans, and I'm just accessing this truth. It's logically, inherently self-consistent, and it's the only known system I know to be that way, that's like a unification theory. So I'm proposing this, and perhaps there's better ways to talk about it, more elegant ways. This is the way I propose it. The way I propose it is the simplest way that I can conceive, and it's much simpler than the way they're talking about it now. And it's so simple, it's like a Laplace transformation. Once you talk about it in this Blaney language, it's much simpler than to visualize things, and so you can go further than you could with the old system, where they talk about space-time. I talk about etheric flux, which is the zero-point field's various movements at various scales, which are all accelerations with many interesting nth derivatives.